Have you ever stared at your bank account, your dream in one hand, and nothing in the other? You're scrolling through your phone, seeing everyone else living their best lives, making money online, and you're like, how are they doing that?
It's not magic, it's all about taking the right steps at the right time. And what if I told you that in just 30 days, you could turn your ideas into cold, hard cash?
In this video, we're showing you how regular people, just like you, turn their side hustles into serious money, fast.
We're talking people making thousands through Amazon KDP, dropshipping, affiliate marketing, and even YouTube automation. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how they did it.
First up, let's talk about Dave Chesson, the guy who figured out how to turn his passion into profit through Amazon KDP, or Kindle Direct Publishing. Now, Dave wasn't some famous author. In fact, he was in the military, and he was looking for a way to make some extra income on the side.
So Dave didn't overthink it. He wrote a simple ebook about self-publishing strategies and marketed it through Amazon KDP. The book wasn't a bestseller or anything, but within 30 days, it started making $1,000 a month. That's some serious cash for a side hustle.
The takeaway here? You don't need to be the next J.K. Rowling. Just find something you're passionate about or have knowledge of, write it down, and publish it. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it does have to exist. Oh, and by the way, here's more on Dave's story if you want to check it out. Link is in description.
Okay, now let's talk about Justin Sung, because his story is pretty wild. Justin was a broke college student working a couple of part-time jobs that barely covered his bills. And honestly, he felt like he was going nowhere fast.
Oh yeah, so Justin decided to try his hand at dropshipping. For those of you who don't know, dropshipping lets you sell products online without holding any inventory. You set up an online store, find suppliers who'll ship directly to your customers, and boom, you're in business.
Now, Justin wasn't a marketing expert or anything. He picked a niche fitness gear and spent his first few weeks setting up his store. But here's the kicker. At first, he got zero sales. Absolutely nothing. He could have thrown in the towel right there, but instead, Justin tweaked his strategy. He invested just $50 in Facebook ads. And guess what?
Sales started rolling in. By the end of his first month, Justin had made over $5,000 in revenue. And he didn't even have to touch the products.
Okay, but before we jump to the next success story, I've got a quick question. If you could make $5,000 in 30 days from a side hustle, what's the first thing you'd spend it on? Drop your answer in the comments, and if anyone says more avocado toast, we're coming for you.
Seriously. Maybe a Tesla or finally pay off that student debt, huh? All right, let's keep this train rolling.
Now here's a story that will inspire you to get started no matter how busy you are. Michelle Schroeder-Gardner was working full-time as a financial analyst. She had a regular 9-to-5 job, but was looking for a way to pay off her student loans faster.
Michelle discovered affiliate marketing, which is basically when you promote other companies' products and earn a commission on sales. She started a blog called Making Sense of Sense, where she shared financial advice. But instead of just writing for fun, Michelle included affiliate links to finance tools, credit card offers, and investment platforms.
And within just a few weeks, her blog started generating income. By the end of her first month, Michelle had made $1,000 in affiliate commissions. Today, she earns over $100,000 a month.
Now, $100,000 might seem like a dream, but the lesson here is that affiliate marketing can make money even while you sleep, literally. You don't need a huge audience to get started either. You just need to provide value and promote products you believe in.
All right, the next story is about Matt Parr, and this one's a game changer. Ever heard of YouTube automation? If not, then watch my video. You will get clear. Matt is one of the people who made $10,000 in a single month by running YouTube channels without recording a single video himself.
Wait, what? How does that even work?
Here's the deal. Matt built YouTube channels in various niches like finance, health, and entertainment. He didn't show his face or use his voice. Instead, he outsourced everything: scripts, voiceovers, editing, and thumbnails to freelancers. All he did was manage the process. After just 30 days of setting up his channels, one of them made $10,000 from ad revenue.
Yeah. And the beauty of YouTube automation is that once the videos are up, they keep generating income for you, kind of like planting money trees.
Okay, we've given you some solid examples so far, but we're saving one more for last story that'll show you how one idea, if executed right, can change your life in just 30 days.
And we're not talking pocket change here. But first, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. Seriously, what are you waiting for? It's one click.
Now meet Johnny Ward. Johnny was traveling the world, living a pretty adventurous life, but broke. He started a blog to document his travels, and at first it was just for fun. But he soon realized that travel companies would pay for exposure on his blog through sponsored content and advertising.
He turned that idea into a thriving business, where within 30 days, his blog was pulling in over $20,000 in ad revenue. Johnny has now made over $1.5 million from blogging. Full story below in description. So, what's the lesson here? Whether it's blogging, YouTube, Amazon KDP, or affiliate marketing, the opportunities are endless. But nothing happens unless you start. Don't wait for the perfect moment, just start now.
Now, if you're thinking, okay, I'm in, but what's my first step? Don't worry, we've got more coming in our next video, where we'll go even deeper into the strategies that can help you turn your ideas into income. But you're gonna have to wait for that one. In the meantime, smash that like button if you found these stories inspiring, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications because the best is yet to come.
And don't forget, drop a comment below telling us which story resonated with you the most. We want to know which idea you're excited to try. Who knows? Your story could be the next one we share.
That's it for today. Remember, the only thing standing between you and your dream is action. Let's get it.